Temperament and personality. Are they one and the same thing? We use them quite interchangeably, but it's good to understand the distinction between the two so that, as we say, as I've said on this channel, we want to get to what we call self-knowledge and self-acceptance. My name is Anisia Mwaniki. I'm a lawyer by profession, but on this channel, I talk about personality development, which involves self-knowledge and self-acceptance so that we can make the best of ourselves with what we are, with who we are. When we talk about temperament, as I've highlighted in another video, there are those natural traits of character that we are kind of born with. Yeah, they are very, as it were, permanent foundation of who we are. When you talk about personality, on the other hand, it's more of what we have control over. It's learning to control ourselves and to grow as a person. Yeah, what does it mean to grow as a person? When you talk about human beings, we distinguish them from other creatures, other beings. Yeah, that's where we are not plants, that we are not animals, we are not minerals. Yeah, and we call ourselves human beings, and we are trying to understand the nature of human beings. So what distinguishes a human being from these other beings? We say that what distinguishes us is what we call the two spiritual faculties of man, which are intellect and will. I'm not going to get technical about this, but intellect and will are two capacities that we have by virtue of being human, which are part and parcel of our human nature, that distinguishes us from other natures, from other creatures. And what is the intellect? The intellect is the capacity to know the truth, while the will is a capacity to do what is good. In fact, they say in philosophy that the object of the intellect is the truth, while the object of the will is the good. And whether we are conscious or not, we tend towards that naturally, that our minds are always looking for the truth, while the will is always looking to do what is good. The truth and the good can be distorted for one reason or another. We'll get into that as time gets by. But then these two are the ones that distinguish us from other beings. And while I talked about emotions, we said that emotions are controlled by reason. Yeah, and that's what makes us a person, and that's what forms our personality. That self-control, that knowledge that enables us to be truly human, that's what forms the basis of what personality is. And as I go along on this channel, that's what we are going to be highlighting. How do we develop that personality so that, as I said, we can get the best of ourselves and eliminate those aspects that are not so pleasant. You may want to watch some other videos that I've already posted on this channel on emotions, on temperaments, and on vices and virtues, so that we move together. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye.